I'm back with another video. So, have you ever wanted to hack, I guess, on Minecraft? In like a click of a button? Well, you're in luck, but you're not in luck if you're a Apple user. I don't think this works on Apple. I'll let you know at the end of the video. It'll say a text. So basically, you see this pickaxe? This is an app where you click on it and then it'll bring you and look. But gives you movement, flying, no clip, high jump, speed, auto jump, no bow, slow down. So basically you don't slow down on reloading, slow falling so you don't take fall damage, and blink. I don't know what blink does. I don't know. I think it does something, but I don't know. Bridge builder, chest stealer, nuke, haste. I recommend not doing a nuke. That's on a server. That's just a jerk move. They don't have spawn protection. Force achievements. I don't know what that does. Rapid building. Give item. Look how many things to give yourself. Okay. Have you ever you see this? It's impossible to get all of this in survival. This jigsaw thing. Have no clue what it does. Command blocks. You know what a stone cutter does, I hope. Structure block. It's like a cloning thing. This, you can get coca, I guess. Wait, what the heck? Tripwire. Okay, I'm gonna show you example. What should I show you on? This. Okay, I can give myself that. Now, there's something in here. Don't mind the loud clicking, please. It's one of these. So basically, if you're a hacker, you could get these special spawn eggs where it only spawns iron golem. Only if it's a command, I think. I don't know. I think it's easier with hacks. Crops. You could get everything in here. But look. I don't know what this does. I'm on the PvP. I don't think nobody's on. Yeah, it's okay. So, you see this? You know how you usually can't enchant this? You go enchant. 30k. 30k on everything. Now, this, I'll show you. I'll show you just for the video. But you have to watch ads when you press play just so they can get money, you know. The people that make this get money. And you have to get, you have to watch ads to do some of these. You don't have to. Okay, combat. Killera. I'm gonna turn on attack mobs. Not attack players. Anti-knockback. Or you could teleport to players. You could do everything with this. Go to the mob arena. Now look. Come out, wherever you are. I'm coming for you. I'm not even close to them. I'm one-shotting them. You don't usually do this. Look at that loot too. Feels bad. Look at the sticks. 42. Imagine how rich you can be. Oh my gosh. I'm rich. Okay. Now, hold on. I can't exit. I'm gonna show you this awesome command. No, not command. Hack client. I guess that's what they call it. Come here. Ooh. Even underneath. Okay. So basically, all you do if you're on Samsung, you go to here, toolbox. You see this? This thing right here? Okay, now go to your app store. Link in the description too if you don't, if you guys want it. Ow. Toolbox. This is where the hack client is. They're updating it almost every week, I think. Yeah, it's pretty sick. If you guys want it, only if you're on Samsung, I think. Discard. Yeah, I'll tell you later. Description if it doesn't. It's like, never mind. Okay, make sure to like and subscribe to see more of these videos. Bye.